So this is just a quick breakdown of the AC Arduino power supply that I've made. Up the back here we have a DC supply, switch mode power supply. It's a 24 volt, 240 24 volt. So that's actually the input into this power amplifier. So the Arduino actually doesn't make the sine wave. The sine wave is produced in here. This is an AD9850 analog device DDS. Now, what I'm doing is I'm talking directly from the Arduino to the DDS chip, and I'm saying, you know, output a signal, so 50 Hz, 60 Hz, 75 kilohertz, whatever it may be, and actually giving it a phase reference as well. Now, the output of this goes into here. This is a digital potentiometer, 255 step, 100k potentiometer, and then from the potentiometer it goes all the way around here to the input of the power amplifier. So the power amplifier, this is a class D. This can output up to 50 VA at 50 VA at like 24 volts, just under, from the loss anyway. So this is the output that I've got going. It comes around to here. These are obviously two binding post sockets. This is an output, so basically this outputs, you know, whatever voltage I want to get out by adjusting the potentiometer. So I take the resistance off and I increase the amplitude of the sine wave, which then obviously gives me a boost. Okay, so I've also been able to measure it. Now that's what these sets of terminals here. So this one here is the voltage measurement, this one is the current measurement. Now voltage measurement goes around to this 240 to 4.5 volt transformer. That transformer then goes through this dividing circuit, and I output it from here into this ATM 90 E26 smart meter energy metering IC right here, and that's also communicating with the Arduino through the SPI bus, and that's so that I got available. I got from Watnik on Tindy. The current itself goes around and through this. This is a PCB mount CT, and I've got a shunt made here, and I'm measuring the voltage drop across the shunt, and that also goes to the smart metering IC. There's not much more to it other than that, but I do plan on obviously getting a bigger amplifier. I'm going to have to get a new case for it now. This is the second time I've outgrown it. This one I've just folded myself with out of a piece of steel. Oh, one thing I should mention, I do have a display here. This is an OLED, but again, this is too small, so I've got myself a 16:4 LCD I'm going to put on there. If I set it to a different manual mode, I can adjust the amplitude, well, adjust the pot to give me different voltages. This one I did plan on adjusting frequency with, but at this moment in time I'm not going to worry about it until I get it moving into a bigger box.